In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make a variant in Framer, an essential tool that can elevate your design portfolio by introducing dynamic elements onto your canvas. The first thing you want to do is create a component. To do this, you need to select your design element that is present on your artistic canvas. After highlighting the desired object, right-click on it. A menu will pop up from which you should select the option that says Create Component. By performing this action, you establish the base version of your component. Now, it's time to add an exciting variant. Suppose you have correctly selected the component. In that case, you need to turn your attention towards the right-hand Properties panel. Look out for an icon resembling the symbol plus, lying next to the word Variants. By hitting this button, you can successfully create a substitute version or variant for your starting component. After creating a new variant, the intriguing part begins: personalizing this new version. By clicking on this brand new variant, you gain access to a diverse range of properties, which you can adjust. Let's say you can modify its color, or maybe change its size, or perhaps alter its opacity to put on a brand new look or state for this variant. Once you are content with the look of your variant, you might want to consider adding an interaction, an essential feature to bring your designs to life. It's as simple as establishing a link between variants using your keyboard and mouse. Simply hold down the L key and then drag the handle from your starting variant to your newly created variant using your mouse. After linking, you must set up a trigger. Presumably, a menu will pop up right after you've managed to link the variants. From this menu, you need to choose the conditions under which this interaction will be invoked. For instance, you can set on-click or on-hover as your interaction trigger, depending on your requirements. Now, you are all set to use and experiment with your newly developed component that boasts an exciting variant. To do this, you need to drag your component straight from the Assets panel and drop it onto your canvas. Once you are in preview mode, you'll be able to test out your interaction. And thereby, you can witness your new variant in all its multicolored glory. In summary, through this tutorial, you've learned how to breathe life into your static Framer designs by creating interactive variants. This knowledge will surely make your creative journey in Framer much more innovative and engaging.